Hi guys, welcome to my channel Travel on My Mind. In my earlier videos which I uploaded a couple of months ago, I had shown you the property Taj Fateh Prakash Palace where I stayed in Udaipur. So this particular video was also recorded in the month of November 2020. After we checked out from Udaipur, we took a direct cab to Mount Abu and we checked in over here. It is a heritage hotel and it's called the Palace Hotel Bikaner House. So Bikaner House has a long history and it dates back to the British times. It was a holiday residence for royal families. They would come here during the summer months and spend their time here vacationing. So this particular property is very huge. If I am not wrong, it is almost like 40 acres or even more. So I'm not sure about the size of this property, but yes, you can explore on foot. It will take one full day to explore the property if you want to just hike along and find some hidden treasures over there. So there are many spots where you can just walk to. As you can see, the interiors of the property, it dates back to the British times, and the walls have all the family photographs and the descendants through so many years. The descendants of the royal family till date stay in a separate section on the property where we are not allowed to go, of course, that's their personal space. And if you get into talking with some staff or maybe people who work in the kitchen like the chef or anybody who stays on the property and has been serving for long, they will be able to tell you more about the history and the day-to-day life of the current royal descendants who stay there, because they are responsible for managing the trust of the property and also help in upkeep of the property. So yes, the staff members, if you can get hold of anybody, and I'm sure you'll be able to get into talking with them, so many people, because the staff are amazing. They're very warm and welcoming, and they will tell you everything no matter what you ask. They will go into history because they have been working there and serving the property for almost like 30-40 years. People have left lucrative jobs and they have taken up jobs on this property. So yes, that is the whole charm of it. Now, while we were walking, we spotted this school on this property. Nobody was there at that time because it was almost evening, but it's a running school. The surroundings are beautiful. If you are a person who loves nature and loves listening to the sound of nature, then I think this particular place is absolutely for you. We booked it for 3 nights only, and during the morning and the evening it's absolutely amazing. Plus the weather in Mount Abu is not very hot, owing to it being a mountainous area in Rajasthan. So exploring the property on foot is an experience on its own. Mount Abu doesn't have much to do around because you can just go to the Nakki Lake for a boating, and the lake is not as huge as Lake Pichola in Udaipur. So if you get to do boating in Udaipur, that will surpass Nakki Lake, I guess. But that's the charm of this whole place. The quarters that you see, these are the staff quarters, and one question that came to our mind, why the staff quarters have such a shabby and dilapidated look. So the answer to that was given to us by a staff member only. He has been here serving serving as a receptionist and caretaker for almost like 40 years. So he told us that because of all the bureaucracy and the rules and unnecessary hassles that are created by the authorities, is the reason that these quarters have not been maintained, but it seems like they are very happy still living there. So I did not question much and I did not film it in detail, but yes, it is not because the owners do not take care of the staff. It is because of the bureaucracy that exists in order to bring anything, the cement or anything. You are stopped from making any changes or anything until and unless you can prove that you will not uh, vastly modify the property, and it's very hard to do that. So that is what happened.
ये भी ऐसे ही थे रूम, तब सब ये रूम पहले
ये नया बना है। हाँ थोड़ा मज़ा आता है, बहुत सुंदर लग रहा है, बहुत सुंदर लग रहा है। अब कि इधर भी एक बड़ा बिल्डिंग है दिख रहा है पीछे वाला,
पीछे एयरफोर्स है सर।
वो एयरफोर्स वाला है कि सामने में जो बिल्डिंग दिख रहा है?
पानी की टैंक है ना
ये नहीं, ये जो कॉर्नर वाला बड़ा बिल्डिंग दिख रहा है
ये तो अपना ही है,
ये आपका प्रॉपर्टी वाला ही है?
सब स्टाफ क्वार्टर है।
अच्छा वो भी स्टाफ का ही है ना? वही
200 स्टाफ क्वार्टर से 40 एकड़ में।
हाँ आपने बोला था 40 एकड़।
1893 का बना हुआ है।
हाँ
1962 से होटल है, 1962 से।
काफ़ी बड़ा है। मैं उधर भी स्कूल भी है ना अंदर?
हाँ पीछे एयरपोर्ट है, वो भी अपनी थी बिल्डिंग।
हाँ वो दे दिया है ना,
68 में सेल कर दी थी।
And further walking along, I would like to tell you that the property has its own restaurant. Outside food is not allowed, and if you want you can go outside in the city and just enjoy a meal, but I would highly suggest that you try certain items over here. We had dal bati churma, which was amazing. The batis were quite huge, we did not expect that. And also very famous is their lal mas and jungli mas, which you should definitely try in case if you decide to stay on the property. And the food, since it is not included in the the cost of staying, it kind of becomes heavy on the pocket. But for an experience, if you want to come and stay here, I highly recommend this place. This place is right in the lap of the nature, no city noises, nothing, and a huge area to breathe. Very clean air, cleanliness is at most. The day we arrived in the cab, they sanitized our luggage and everything, like they took care of everything. Plus the rooms are vast. Maybe in my next video I'll give you a room tour as well, because the room that we stayed in was located at the back side of the property, and it was huge. Like it had a separate whole big room as a bathroom, and another room separated by a gallery, which was the bedroom. So I'll upload the video next time showing you the room. But all the rooms are of different sizes. We booked the superior deluxe type, that is 18,800 at that time it was the price, and the travel restrictions were in place, so I think the prices must have gone up now. It is very famous with the foreign visitors, because foreigners, they love staying for months and months. So they were telling me that in the main building as well as the backside, the foreigners come and they stay for months at a stretch sometimes. So during this time there was nobody around, not many people, because of the lockdown and curfew and everything. So we had the place all to ourselves, very peaceful, empty, and as you can see, it's really lovely to walk in the evening and morning. Also, there is a trivia. The guard told us a story that you can often spot bears, the bhalu, with their cubs roaming around on the property during the night hours. and during the night it is actually not allowed for any of the visitors to take a stroll on the property because it's very dark and you might get attacked by the bears. So yes, after 8 you are not supposed to be out very far from the main building on the property unless and until you are with a guard or maybe somebody is guiding you on the property. You are not supposed to move out. So that is one restriction. And anyway, in Mount Abu you have nothing much to do in the night hours. So this particular place also organizes parties and small gatherings. In case if you want to celebrate a birthday party or an anniversary or anything, they will be able to help you with the arrangements, and also they can arrange you for a DJ and everything. But yes, here the restriction lies that after 10 you can't play loud music, so they will shut that down because the authorities object to it. So yes, if you plan in the future, then you can definitely come here. It's a beautiful property, very well protected, very safe. This is right outside the property. This is where you enter and the gates are beautiful. The whole look of the property is so charming. And of course, you must have read in the history books about the Dilwara temple. So it is walking distance from here, and it's an absolutely beautiful temple. I am not recommending it from a religious point of view, but yes, if you want to appreciate the architecture and the maintenance and the beauty of the temple, then definitely I would suggest, no matter what religion you are, you should pay a visit to the Dilwara temple. It has an amazing architecture, very intricate and so ancient. It is very well kept, so it shouldn't be a problem. So guys, if you are looking around, you will be able to spot a lot of monkeys and langurs that we call.
वापसी आया तो मेरे को नहीं मालूम तो भालू आ गया तो वहाँ कचरा रखने का वो जगह बना रखी है तो मैं यूं ही आके डंडा बजाते ही वो चिल्लाया और वो भालू है तो मैं ये समझो कि गेट से इतने ऐसे उल्ट बजे डंडा मेरे हाथ में था मैं आया और भालू निकल के ना वो ऐसे भग के ना इतना फैसला मेरे पास में आ गया इतना फैसला कर लो मैं डंडा हाथ में ले रखा था मुझको भाई देखेंगे ऐसे घूम
चलो ऐसे इन लोग कभी अटक नहीं करेंगे।
वो वीडियो बनी वो कैमरा में कैद हुआ तो वो मालिक और तक पहुंच गई मालिक बोले यादव जी बोले थोड़ा ध्यान रखा करो सेफ्टी मतलब जो लिखी है वो तो टाल नहीं सकता।
So the guard, he's like a veteran over here. He is very old and has been on the property for a very long time. So he was telling us about an incident where the bears were spotted. So spotting a bear is not very uncommon, and even at night, if you tell the staff that you want to see the bear, if possible, then they will call you and guide you to that place where the bears can be spotted on the property itself. But you have to be under guidance. You can't just go venture out and have a look at the bears, because they will definitely attack you then. So guys, this is a small video, that not a small video, quite a long one. So if I bored you, I'm sorry, but this property is beautiful, and in future if you want, you can definitely pay a visit. If you want some alone time, maybe in away from the city for a change of scenery, you can consider this place. You won't regret. So yeah, you can have your evening tea over here. Then this is also the party area where arrangements can be made. You can venture out with your friends or anybody, so it's good. The surroundings are beautiful, and in case if you like the video, it added some value, then do consider liking, sharing, subscribing, and of course leave a comment. I'm not very good at creating videos or anything, but yeah, it's my attempt to just bring out the information, the places that I really like. I want people to know about them, that's all. So yes, till the next video, bye bye, take care, stay safe and healthy.